Noche Latina here, and now a quick check of our starting lineups for both teams. And it's going to be the Spurs off the tip. There's the pick. Lets it go. Misses off the left iron. Green with the ball. Uncovered. And he gets it to go.
You know, I think when you've got somebody that open on the perimeter, a good shooter, the kick-out's the only choice.
Pass to Jones. On defense, San Antonio. And a foul called on the shot. Got him on the way up that time, so he'll shoot two right here.
And he gives them a terrific option in the low post every time down the court. Even with multiple defenders around him, he knows how to create a shot for himself.
So it's San Antonio now. Wide open. Shot's good. On defense, San Antonio. Outside, Green. Shot from the wing. Green left side.
Well, I think he had all the space he needed. He just couldn't find the bottom of the net. Well, I tell you what, Greg Popovich, a really impressive leader for the Spurs. He's able to keep all of his players locked in what's best for the team. Has a military background, played basketball and studied at the Air Force Academy before serving 5 years in the Air Force. And you know some of the leadership that he brings to his position was learned from his past experiences.
And here are the Rockets. It's a three-point game. Green left side. From the baseline. Another miss by Houston. And Clark, you mentioned Pop's time at the Air Force Academy. That's where he got his start in the coaching ranks.
Yeah, 6 years as an assistant there, and he's head coach at Pomona, an assistant coach with the Warriors and the Spurs, and once they moved into the front office in San Antonio. But wow, what an amazing run it's been for him. 17 years as the head coach of the Spurs.
The Rockets with another miss.
I tell you what, that's too good a look to pass up there. Even though it didn't go, that's one you got to take.
Rockets with the rebound.
When he's wide open like that, he'll rarely miss those.
From downtown. The shot is off. And out of bounds as the Spurs gain possession.
Well, that's inexcusable to throw a pass that far off the mark.
Houston, a whole new five on the floor. San Antonio leading. Here's Morris. And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in. Grant. Misses the tray. Outside, Green. Off the mark, and the clock continues.
I think he was surprised by how much space he had there and just rushed the shot a little bit.
Uses the glass to finish the layup. Another shot, and it's good on the way in. For three. And oh, he hits the buzzer beater. And so the first. Welcome back, everyone. It's Noche Latina in the NBA as we resume action. And looking at what we've seen from the Spurs so far, guys, what do you think? The 10-footer. Outside Green.
That's an unusual, surprising miss for him. Typically, he's good on those inside.
Here's Morris. Pass to Collins. A stupendous finish in traffic. The Rockets trail. Green with the ball. He hasn't scored yet. That, I'm sure, will change. And the shot counts. He's fouled. It's a chance for a three-point play.
That finish brings me back to the old days. The silky smooth finger roll.
The Rockets making a switch here. And he's got his first chance at the line here. And that's out of bounds. San Antonio will retain possession. And the Rockets making a change here. Smooth as silk on the finger roll.
4 of their last 5 makes came off of a high-quality shot inside.
And we play through the first minute here in the second. And the shot is good.
You know, it wouldn't be a bad idea to put an extra body on him, get some help when he barrels his way in close. He's such a good